Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Dockside. This is the first time we've seen it here in the daytime. And this is Tower 1 over here. The main lobby right here. We're standing in the check-in parking, and Tower 2 over there. Over to our left-hand side here is the bus station. It's right out front, easy, convenient. This is one of the things I like about Dockside. You may think it's far away from the main Universal Resort. It's really not, just across the highway. And somehow Universal seems to have it timed so that the lights work to their favor. I've never experienced more than a 10-minute ride over to the main drop-off at the theme parks, but we'll walk in here. This is the main lobby area. Like I said, the check-in. We're staying in Tower 2 this time. This is the first time we've really seen it in the daylight, as we've been busy, as you've probably already seen, at the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, which is about a 20-minute drive down to Disney property. We'll cut across here and we'll take you inside the lobby. Here's the Christmas tree. Main lobby's pretty busy right now, but not as busy as I have seen it. This is a big overview of the entire lobby. It's got some decent theming here, nice sitting area, and then to the left here is the Starbucks. Actually quite slow right now. I've seen a line super long. Over to the left of that is the Sunset Lounge. Little bar and lounge on this side. Got a full selection of beers, cocktails, whatever you need. Doesn't appear to be open right now, but that is the bar. And as we move into this side, this will be your Pier 8 Marketplace. Coca-Cola Freestyle machines over here. Very clean, modern, fresh area here. And you'll normally get your standard burgers, chicken tenders, stuff like that here. We'll walk in, we'll see if we see anything interesting in the food court this morning. Here's a good look at the Pier 8 Marketplace just off the lobby. Looks like on this side they have fried chicken, big cheese, flatbreads here. Up there they've got the burger station and hot sandwiches. It looks like a salad station over here. Unfortunately, one of the soft serves out of order, but the other one's still going, so you can still get some frozen yogurt here. This final station looks like just desserts. Oh my goodness, look at all these. Cheesecake, chocolate cheesecake, mango cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake, key lime cheesecake, all the cheesecakes. Reese's peanut butter brownie, this is ridiculous. Not that we don't have 20 cookies already in the room. But, oh, and just in case you need it, there's the donuts and the cupcakes here at the dessert station. But, a pretty cool little food court. Seems to have a lot of options in it. We'll move on to someplace else right here off the lobby. So Tower 1 is where we stayed last time. This has a parking garage and the fitness center. It also has a pool down there, so if you walk down there and through that breezeway, you can access all those things. The other side, we're going to head back towards the main marketplace, and that will have the restrooms here. This will take us back. This pathway takes us the other way. Restrooms on your right, business center should be here on your restrooms on your left, business center up here on your right. And then final touch of the lobby, back to the Starbucks here. And then your final thing on the lobby is the Universal Orlando store. I think it has a lot. Here's some Grinchmas stuff. This one's one of the bigger ones, certainly bigger than Portofino. Over here you have all your endless summer needs. And then a lot of beachwear, stuff like that. Like I said, Grinchmas. How about this cute little ET plush? And then of course, like most Universal stores, the other half of the store is taken up by Harry Potter. and a lot of the Harry Potter stuff that you can find in the park. There's also a section here of generic Universal Orlando Resort items as well. In case you need to pick up anything last minute, this is definitely your stop here at Endless Summer Resort. Finally, we're moving to our tower. This is Tower 2, and right here on the right is your rental car area. In case you need to pick up a car while you're here, we'll run out to 2 and take a look at the pool real quick. But right through this vestibule right here. Won't take too much video, but there's the towers and the pool is down here. And then each side has a bar. So this is Wave Makers. I think the other side is Surf Makers. And yeah, our room's right up there, so I can give you an overhead view of the pool here when I get back upstairs. And here's the room tour. This is Endless Summer. We're at Tower 2, floor 8. This is room 34. Come in the door here, full length mirror. That's Brittany over there. Come in, it does require the key to be in the thing to turn on the lights. We'll walk in here, pardon us. We've been living in this room for the past couple days, but single vanity here. And that's the full-length mirror, that's me. We go over here and it's the shower. We do like this. It's the glassed-in shower with sliding glass, and it's bowed, so it does kind of give an extra space. The handle is in the back. It does come with amenities, shampoo, a bar soap, conditioner, and the commode. Come out here, here's the closet. This is what's considered the closet. It has curtains. That's my sweatshirt up there. And then ironing board, iron, safe is here.
Luggage rack.
Thermostat on the wall. Yeah, it does include a luggage rack. You'll see my luggage is already on it here, but that's for the connecting door. Then it's 2 queen size beds here in this room. Each one has a light over the bed, and we will say that they are bright, but there's no other light in the room. So, in the main room.
I guess there's that one above the chair.
Ah, yes, we haven't turned that one on yet. I'll show you in just a second. Artwork over the wall here gives it the Dockside theme. We do think that it's on theme, wouldn't you say?
Uh-huh.
And then as we move here, big windows overlooking the pool. This is a pool facing view. So there's the big pool, as I mentioned before in the resort tour. There's a nice overlook of the entire pool area. I'll spin it around slowly this way. Light here, Brittany's got her luggage on this chair, but there's another chair in the room. And then a pretty decent sized TV. We've got a pull-out ottoman under there. 3 drawers right there to keep your stuff. And this is a beverage cooler.
Yeah. A couple USB plugs, but not a million.
No, everywhere there's an outlet, there's a USB plug.
Just one.
But catch the wave here. Artwork, what do you think of the room?
I like the room. I think it's well themed. I think it's a good size for the cost, and I like the bathroom. The only minor things I dislike, there's no light switch in the vanity area, so you have to turn the full entryway lights on to turn that on, and the lights over the bed.
Right.
Only because when you're you want the light on, but you're sitting in bed trying to read or something, it's literally
it's right on top of you,
on your face.
So it is bright when the rest of the lights in the room are off.
So,
but for the price, I think $120 a night, $110 a night is where we were at.
If you're looking this is basically cheaper than All Star for the most part, and I would consider it on par, if not above average, above All-Star quality.
I think it's a little above All-Star quality with the interior halls and the amenities here.
It's popcorn. quality at cheaper prices than pop.
Much cheaper.
Much cheaper. So.
Especially when you add up 4 days and 60, 70, $80 more.
So,
you know, you're saving.
You still have to park, same as.
It's cheaper here.
Cheaper.
It's $10.
I thought it was $17 today.
He said $10 the other night
okay.
when I checked in.
Okay. Anyway, we still have to pay to park here. But the transportation, they have buses from here over. We're going to use that later. But I would assume Universal Transportation is normally pretty decent.
Yeah, I think
and quick, so.
I think if you're trying for any portion of your stay to stay at Universal, we don't begrudge you for staying at Portofino. Check out those resort tours or Sapphire Falls. Yeah. Those are very nice hotels too, but this one does the job just as well.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a quick.
Especially if you're not going to be in the room all that much, you're going to be out at the parks and stuff like that.
Right. You're not going to get the benefits of Portofino or Hard Rock or Royal Pacific,
but a Universal store in the lobby and
big one.
A big food court with quite a few options. So I mean, on par, and the food was good.
Yeah.
For the most part. So.
Cool. Well, next time we catch up with you, we'll be heading over to City Walk.
Yep.
To do a little exploring there before we head in for the Orlando Former meetup tonight.
So.
More food.
We're very excited.
Are you?
I need to give my stomach a break.
Well, we'll see you